It's Sarah from South Fayette Township Library, and today I'd like to share with you a simple, delicious, and healthy recipe for fruit sorbet. It only takes 2 ingredients, frozen fruit and unsweetened almond milk. The fun part is figuring out which fruit combination you like best. Right now I like mango raspberry best, and I'm going to share that with you today. This morning I took a mango and peeled it and chopped it up. And I washed some raspberries and I put them on this jelly roll pan and popped it into the freezer. It takes about 4 hours for it to freeze completely. I like to make this right before I'm going to serve it. So all you do is take your frozen fruit and add it to your food processor. What's wonderful is you don't even have to add any additional sugar for it to taste delicious. I'm going to add less than a cup of unsweetened almond milk and pulse it. It looks beautiful. I actually like it when there's still some chunks of the mango. If you'd like a firmer texture, you can put it in the freezer. If you want to do that, you're just going to want to put your plastic wrap right up against the sorbet so that ice crystals don't form. You're going to really love this. I think kids are going to like it. It's a great way to get fruit into your diet and theirs. I can't wait to try some new flavors myself, like peach or pineapple orange. Have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend and stay well. Thank you.